Okay, in this video I will share to you about how to make a private luxury villa with a swimming pool. Okay, first of all we can make the rectangle on any position on this workspace. Okay, and then now we can click and push it up in here. We can type 1 meter in here. Okay, and then now we can double click and make group. Okay, and then now we can make the rectangle in here. We can make the little rectangle, and then now we can push it up, type 5 meter in here approximately. Okay, then now we can make the rectangle in here and just click and push it to the another side in here, and also click the rectangle in here also, and just like move and just place to the position in here. Okay, and then now we can click and push it to the another side in here. Okay, then now we can triple click and also make group. Okay, and then now we can select the glazing materials in here. Okay, we can select the glazing, and then we can click this line and select move to control and just place type 5/and enter in here. Now we can click this line and select move to control and just place type 3/and enter in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the another flooring in here. We can make the double floor in here on this villa in here. So this is just a conceptual basic mesh in here, and then now we can push it up in here until the position in here and just make group. Okay, then now we can make the rectangle on the position. Okay, then now we can push it up in here. Okay, then now we can make group. Okay, and after that now we can select the color and select the gray color. Maybe we can select the gray color or dark color in here, and now we can add more canopy and push it to the front and triple click and assign the dark color in here. Okay, and then now we can assign about the another materials in here. Okay, maybe we can assign this we can assign this one. Okay, now we can also explore more about the swimming pool in here. We can make the curve and make the curve in here. Okay, erase and make the curve in here, and make the curve in here. Okay, and now set it outside in here, and now we can assign about the concrete materials and assign about the water materials. Okay, and then now we can assign about the another component about the another materials. We can select the tile, or we can just this basic tile in here, and okay, maybe we can add more texturing in here. Select this one. You can select this one in here. Now we can explore about this landscaping. Okay, we can select the landscape. Okay, and then now we can assign about the component placement in here. We can place in here, and also to this position in here. And now we can select the silhouette to make it representative enough. Then now we can share, we can duplicate about the tree in here. Okay, just like this. Then now we can assign about the shadow in here. Okay, this is about the shadow positioning. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial.